Hey guys, welcome to 5150. Today we're going to be installing whatever's in this tube. In this tube is Lexan window tint. This is going to go on Ryan's JL. Should be a fairly easy install. We've never done this. We're newbies, but if we can do it, anybody can do it. So we bought these off of Amazon. It comes in a tube like that. These are pre-cut, and there's two front tints in here. These are 25%. And we'll go ahead and go get this started. All right, so we're gonna tint this window here. What we gotta do is remove here. There's a torque behind this plate. We got two torques down here. These are T30s. And two down there, those are. So we're gonna pull the door panel off first, okay? So we're going to pull this, we're going to remove this cover. It snaps out and you can see the torque right in there. All right, so then what we're gonna do is kind of lift up these corners just a little bit, and then there's Christmas tree or whatever they call them, that snaps that cover on. Just gotta dig your hands in there and get way back in there and just pop them out. There's one, two, three. All right, and then we just lift this cover right off. You can see it. There we go. And you can see it's got a deep lip, so that's why you can't pull it off all the way at first. Then you're gonna pull out the weather stripping, and it's just kind of lifts right out. And then we're just gonna stick this right back on there. So now we got some room to put the bottom edge of the tint in there. Just gonna let that hang. All right, so we're gonna clean this window real good. And looks like you already cleaned it, Ryan?
Yep.
You already cleaned it really good. Washed it, then we took a razor blade, get any imperfections off on the inside and the outside. All right, so let's go ahead and get the tint. We're gonna squirt this down with a little soapy water. Get the whole window real good. Okay. Then we're gonna take the tint, and we'll put some water on the back of it. All right, so we're gonna stick this on the outside of the window just to make sure it fits. Look at it a little bit, and then we'll pull the back liner off and put it on the inside once we get that. So as long as it's real wet, you can move it all over the place. Here, you gotta squirt it. So we're looking for there's a little, you'll see, I don't know if you can see it there, but there's where it's cut out, a little line. And what we're gonna do is cut off the excess.
That one up first.
So we're by far no expert tinters, but we'll figure it out. So we rolled down the window just about an inch. And we're going to try to follow that edge. Just trying to hold it down there. Okay, we're going to separate the tint just like that. Let's get some paper towels and then we'll reuse the window. We gotta work the bottom more. Alright, so far it's going pretty good, guys. We're gonna, like I said, we're no experts, but we can get it done. Gonna wipe the panels down, roll the window up, and start working down on the bottom half a little more. Take it all the way up. I'll leave links in the show notes for the window tint and the window tinting toolkit that we purchased on Amazon. Taking that door panel off. I know a lot of people don't do it. We decided to do it just because we're just learning how to put window tint on, and maybe if you're really good, you don't have to. But we just felt it'd be easier for us. So this is a kit that we got off Amazon called Lexon. It's like, what, $35, Ryan? Something like that?
It was like, yeah, something like that.
30, 35, 32. Looks like good quality tint. Or DIY, you know, for do-it-yourself. We figured we'd give it a shot. If it didn't work out, we'll pay somebody. But we always like to try to do it first. And if we can do it, you guys can do it. That's pretty much it. We just got to kind of wipe it down. And we just lined, this is already pre-cut, and we just lined the top of the edge of the window and worked our way down. So far, I think you're pretty happy with this kit, Ryan, for 30 bucks?
Yeah, for 30 bucks.
What percent tint is this?
25.
This is 25, so it looks like it matches just about perfect to the rear. That's what we wanted, or what Ryan wanted. And we just bought the, there's a kit on Amazon that you can buy for window tinting, just with a bunch of squeegees and little different tools. Wipe down the panel. You can see, considering the cost, it seems like it's a pretty good deal. And it wasn't super hard to install, and it looked like it came out pretty good. It'll be foggy for a couple days, get out in the sun. Okay, Ryan's gonna put the seal back on. This is kind of flexible, so just gonna line it up like that, and you just kind of bend it down into place. Make sure it's nice and tight. And then this channel will hold it down, that lip. Make sure you get those all lined up. You can just kind of push in on it like that, wipe down the panel. And then we'll wipe down the outside of the window, and that pretty much...
So you gotta put the screws back in.
Yeah, gotta put the screws back in. It's starting to get dark out here, guys. And obviously we want the two that hold the armrest on the handle for the door to be much tighter because they're big bolts.
The other ones are just plastic, held in my little plastic retainers.
So that pretty much completes this install on the tinted windows.
Oh my goodness.
It's actually pretty easy. It wasn't too difficult. We got to put the inspection cover back on. Okay, let's just wipe the outside of the window. Get rid of that. All right, there we go. Alright guys, there it is. It looks, I don't know, it looks lighter here, but we think it's about the same, but it might be because of the lighting we have going on. Anyways, we'll do another walk around. We owe you guys a video. We did do some, got the bead locks on there with the 35s. And there you guys go. You can see the tint that we put on the Jeep here. Actually, it was a pretty easy install. Came out pretty good. So please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.